Tesla is now rationing how much AI its own engineers can use. SpaceX is about to launch a model to take on Opus and GPT, and a high schooler just built an AI that spots autism in your eyes. 5 minutes. Let's go. Welcome to Top 5 in 5, your weekly dose of the hottest AI updates served in under 5 minutes. First up, Meta just launched Muse Image, its most advanced image model yet, and previewed Muse Video alongside it. Here's what's different. Instead of just turning your prompt into a picture, Muse actually reasons through the job. It writes code, searches the web for real references, and refines its own work before it hands anything back. It edits with precision, composes from multiple reference images, and even pulls context from Instagram. It's live now in the Meta AI app, on Instagram Stories in the US, and rolling out wider soon. For anyone producing content at scale, the interesting part isn't the output. It's that generation is becoming reasoning. Next, SpaceX's AI arm, formerly xAI, is about to launch its first jointly built model with Cursor, the popular AI coding tool. Reports say it's fast and built to compete directly with Anthropic's Opus 4.8 and OpenAI's GPT 5.5. Remember, SpaceX agreed to buy Cursor's parent company in an all-stock deal worth $60 billion, a straight bet on AI coding being one of the highest revenue lanes in the whole industry. The model war just added a very deep-pocketed new player, and coding is the battleground. Now, a signal every scaling business should notice. Tesla has reportedly capped how much AI its own engineers can use, around $200 per week per employee. Why? Because adoption exploded. Engineers were running multiple models for coding, analysis, and automation, and some were burning thousands of dollars a week in usage. This is the tension nobody talks about. Leadership wants maximum AI adoption for productivity, but the bill scales just as fast. If a company like Tesla is putting guardrails on AI spend, every founder rolling out AI across a team is about to face the same question. How do you get the upside without an uncapped invoice? Moving on, Replit started with one simple idea. Kill the friction in building software. No installs, no setup. Just open a browser and start coding. As AI improved, it evolved into something bigger. A platform where you describe what you want, and it builds working software with far less manual coding. It's gone from a developer tool to an idea to app engine. The bigger story here is who gets to build. A single person or a tiny team can now ship products that used to need a full engineering department. For lean startups in the region, that's not a convenience, it's a competitive edge. And finally, Edward Kang, a high school student, just took second place at the 2026 Regeneron Science Talent Search and won $175,000 for an AI system called Retinal. It analyzes retinal images to detect subtle biomarkers linked to autism and ADHD, potentially catching them earlier than traditional methods. A teenager combining biology, neuroscience, and machine learning built a tool that could reshape how we screen kids for neurodevelopmental conditions. The barrier to doing serious, real-world AI work keeps dropping. Sometimes the most important model of the week doesn't come from a trillion-dollar lab. And that's a wrap. Hit subscribe for weekly updates and stay one step ahead in the world of AI. And stay tuned.